Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic is from the layouts in the computer. Layouts of the computer accesses. If you are new, so don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon. Also, let's discuss from layouts. There are the four layouts from the MS Office Access and Compiler, a justified form, tabular form and datasheet form, which is are discussed here in the points. Firstly, we discussed the form layouts. These are the four layouts from the MS Accesses in compiler forms in which are used in the computer, and these are the applications of a computers which are stored in by the Play stores. Commoner form is used to display one record at a time. It displays the text boxes and labels for the each field. Commoner form provides a record modification and to boy regress the true records, and justified from this form is used to display the one record at a time, and these fields are justified according to the window and the labels are displayed on the top of each field. Tabular form. In the tabular form, multiple records are displayed with the field and columns and record in rows. Each row represents a record, and it is the best for the situations when you want to display a few records in an arrow of a field you want to be set. You want to see in several records at the same time. It saves the time of scrolling and reads to analyze them. And then in the last point is the datasheet form. A datasheet form displays the data is the datasheet view, and each row displays one record at a time. Datasheet form provides the record navigation bar to navigate through the different records. This type of form is also used on the basis of a subform. Let's discuss the write down of the procedure of creating from using the design view. Create from in a design view to create from the design view, in which we will discuss the processes are given below. To create from in design view, following are the following steps. Follow the following steps and select forms from the object pane and use the option create from buying the using wizards. An option a form in a design view will appear. Add control from the toolbar to the form and set their controls and source property. After placing all the required fields that their labels on the form will side will be required and left button on the upper mirrors, and select the view from the word and from you have to design in a table that entry mode. Again, in this we will discuss that how to add list and combo boxes on a form. List of the combo boxes and the form list and combo boxes are used to the display a list which appears on the screen, from which data are the choosy and choose items. These objects are used if the possible values are small and limited. The user can enter very quickly and easily by using these objects. List box and combo box differ in the number of the values they display. In the list box, more than one values will be visible at a time, and in combo, only one box value is visible. In the combo box, all the values can be viewed by using the drop down button. Next, we will discuss the adding list box and combo box to the form. Open the form of in a design view and select the toolbox from the view menu. Make sure that control wizard button, which is discussed here, and the press please the check button and process the button to build tool and draw the outline on the form. The combo box wizard dialog box will appear. The select source type of the list or combo values and box values in the click next. The next option is about the selection of the values for the list boxes and combo boxes. Select the table and query from the value will combo and come to the list box. Click the next and choose the fields and set the width of the combo. Use mixing box and the press text. The next dialog text box text has want to do with the values that is selected. The choose now remember the later use and the click the select type of the name of the control will be appear in the as a label on the form and select the finish button. It's all about these steps apart according to the adding the list box and then the process in which we will discuss. Like in this next we will discuss the how to add the check boxes and radio buttons on a form. Check the boxes and radio buttons which are given below. In this we will discuss about the check boxes are used to when one or more that one option can be selected from the list of the given. An option is selected by clicking on the checkbox, and when an option is selected, a tick mark appears in a box. An empty and a blank box indicates the option that we needed, and process of the radio buttons are also called the option buttons. And the process these are used to be option from many is to be selected. These options